COVID cases across the region starting to tick back up. One local teachers association watching a different set of numbers, though, the number of St. Joseph School District students in quarantine. KQ2's Madeline McLean reporting on why the association is worried.
A local teachers association says it's concerned with the St. Joseph School District's quarantine numbers.
Data is still very fresh from the mask policy change, but at this point, we are seeing an increase in the number of students who are being quarantined.
Last week, the district posted its highest number of students in quarantine so far this year, with 207 kids out. Only 34 students and 6 staff were positive, but those positives had a lot of close contacts. St. Joseph NEA president says this correlates to the school board's decision to get rid of its mask requirement in schools last month.
We are seeing an uptick in the number of students who are being sent home due to close COVID contact, which would not be required if all of those students had been wearing masks.
Board President Tammy Pasley previously said out of 10,000 students, the number in quarantine was relatively low, but that board members were also concerned the numbers were trending up.
We're looking at that. We still have our subcommittee who's going to bring a recommendation to the board meeting on the 29th about when or if we might choose to mask up again based on those positivity rates and those quarantine numbers.
St. Joseph NEA's president says by that meeting, everyone should have more data on district cases and quarantines. He says if that data shows the trend still heading in the wrong direction, the association would like the board to consider a change.
The whole point of this is keeping our kids in the classroom. We know that the best place for our kids to learn is right here at school. And if that means wearing masks, then that's what we need to do.
Reporting, Madeline McLean, KQ2 News.
The district providing a statement to KQ2 News, which read in part, the health and safety of our students and staff top priority. St. Joseph School District has seen a slight increase in the number of positive COVID-19 cases and those in quarantine, and that masking guidelines will be discussed at the next school board meeting.